We're not going to be treating this the same way that we did at the beginning of COVID. We're not.
As more Alberta kids get sick and miss school, Alberta's opposition NDP is calling on the governing UCP to address the widespread shortage of children's pain medication and the long wait times at children's hospitals in both Calgary and Edmonton.
Like many parents, I have a constant knot of anxiety in the pit of my stomach about my kids needing medical support and that they won't be there for them when they need it. And now I worry that I also don't have the tools that I need to keep them safe at home.
Alberta's former Chief Medical Officer of Health, Dr. James Talbot, says we are seeing a surge in illness due to young children not being exposed to respiratory viruses because of the precautions taken against COVID over the past few years.
There's been this big surge of what normally are fairly innocuous diseases, but there are always some serious outcomes. And the more people that get infected, the more kids get infected, the more pressure you'd expect to see on hospitals.
He says masking in school environments could help ease the healthcare system, something Premier Smith says she will not support.
Anyone who feels comfortable to wear a mask should wear a mask. That should be a personal choice, and anyone who wants to make that choice, I support them. But we are not going to be mandating masks.
That falls short from the message Ontario's top doctor is sending out, who highly recommends masking in all indoor settings, including schools, as a way to relieve the healthcare system. But Smith says her biggest concern is the shortage of children's Tylenol having a domino effect on hospital wait times.
I'm going to do what I can to make sure that they have the medications that they need, and that if, heaven forbid, anyone needs to go to the hospital, that they are not waiting an excessively long period of time to get their child seen.
Smith says hospital wait times are unacceptable and will be addressing those issues later this week. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau says Ottawa has secured a foreign supply of children's medicine and will be working at distributing it to other provinces. Here in Edmonton, 1 in 7 students were sick last Wednesday alone. The Edmonton Public Schools Board is holding an emergency board meeting Tuesday morning and asking provincial health officials just how many kids need to be sick before additional health measures are put in place. In Edmonton, Laura Krause, City News.